making some self-portrait paintings. I know that sounds kind of weird. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our face, our photographic image face, and we're going to put it onto a painting so it looks pretty much like it's meant to be there. So the first thing that I would do is we're going to go to Google and we're going to type in famous portrait paintings. And when you do that, it's already preset. So there's a couple of different paintings that you can use for um, for this project. So, and you have to kind of keep in mind maybe an image that you want to use. So, so let's pull that one up first too. So the website that we're going to use is called Pixlr, Pixlr.com. And when you get to this screen with the orange and photo editor, it's really important that you click on Pixlr E and not this. Yes, no. Yes, no. Pixlr E as an elephant. So you're going to click on that and you're going to open an image right here on the left. So when we click open image, of course on my MacBook it looks a little bit different than your Chromebook. You're going to select the photo that you want to use. On the Chromebook, it just lets you open up from your drive. From my MacBook, I have a photo that's saved on the desktop to use. So we're going to open this photo. Okay. Now I want to make sure that because my face is pointing to the left, that I pick a portrait that is the same direction, like the person in that portrait has a face pointing in that same direction. So that's what I'm going to be doing, which is kind of hard because there isn't too many. But this one right here, the Laughing Cavalier, this one has the same angle. So all I did was after my search, I went to images and then I'm going to click on one of these and right click on the painting right here and click on save image URL. I'm trying to find copy link address. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go back to my tab with the Pixlr editor and then I'm going to move my screen over. I'm going to go to file right here up at the upper left hand corner and I'm going to open image URL right there. So I'm going to click on that and then right click into this dialog box and click paste. And then I'm going to click load. Oh, it's telling me that's an error, so I'm going to go back and try that again. Let's see. Copy image address. Let's try a different image. Maybe it's locked with on the website. Sometimes websites do that. So let's go here. Let's try that again. Copy image address. Back to Pixlr. File. Open image URL. And paste. So, there we go. Okay. So now you're going to have a tab with your photo and a tab with the painting. But we got to get this photo on top of that painting. So what we're going to do is we're going to select my face by drawing a circle around it and making a selection. So I'm going to take this tool right here called the Lasso Select tool. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to just use the settings that is on there, which is the selection, the free selection. And I'm going to make a circle around my face. So I'm going to hold down my mouse, click and hold down, and then draw a circle. And then once I get back to the end, you have a selection. And this moving line right here will indicate that you are making a selection. Okay. So once I'm done with my selection, I can either do two things. I can either go to edit and copy. So copy, or I could do control key and then C to copy a command. So after this, I'm going to go to this tab right here where it has the Cavalier soldier. And then I'm going to paste in here. So I could go over to here to edit and paste, or do control V as in Victor and allow. And there we go. We got my face on there. Now I got to move this face all the way up here. So what I can do is go to the arrange tool or the move tool. It's like a little arrow. And I could just move my face right there. Then I'm gonna go, well, it might let me do this. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Now if you need to angle the photo differently, you could go to free, let's see, free distort, and kind of move that across, move your photo, your face across the person that we're trying to cover up. So this way it looks more realistic, like that. Maybe like that. Right. And then once you're done, you just hit return or enter to accept those changes. And then you're pretty much done. All you have to do is just go to File and save your image. Save, right there. And I'll just save it to your desktop. Make sure you save it as a JPEG and not a PNG or anything else. Just JPEG right there. Okay. So that concludes how to take your selfie and put that onto a painting. If you got questions, just make sure that you email me with questions or just message me through Zoom. Okay, have a great day.